Hello everyone, in this short video I'll show you how to add more thickness to your Toposurface file in Revit. The topographic file I use in this tutorial came from TopoExport. If you need one, feel free to visit topoexport.com and download your own. Let's get started. First, in the 3D view, select the section box and click Apply. Now you can trim the terrain to only keep the area you really need. Next, click on the Toposurface. Then click on Edit Type. In the construction panel, you can edit the thickness of the Toposurface. I'm going to change the default value and set it to 100 meters to make the 3D model thicker. Then I click Apply. As you can see, the thickness of the Toposurface has been updated. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.